Perfect location. My family stayed here for 6 days and 5 nights. It is a perfect place to stay in Vietnam. The staffs are exceptional in their service and assistance. The breakfast they serve is equivalent to a 5-star hotel. They allow us to leave our luggage for free while we finish our last day tour even if we already checked out. We would highly recommend this place. An Noi Valley Nong Ti Khoi Chung by XCP Len Tang Cao Vi Kok San Nai Kong Ko Thang Me. Noi Chung La Kok San An, Sok Se, Tuk An Nong. All good, very clean. Little away from main road, not noisy. Excellent breakfast. Good location with all you need. The hotel and the room itself was clean, the staff were accommodating and welcoming. The breakfast was great. Love it. The location is near in all essential needs. Thanks Le Blanc Hotel Saigon, until. Clean. Best hotel to stay in Ho Chi Minh. I and my best friend stayed here for 2 days and the experience was really good. Helpful staff, feels like home away from home. The location is great, everything was nearby, it is in prime location. We are missing Auntie there, she is so amazing and polite. Would definitely recommend this for your stay in Ho Chi Minh City. Loved it. Excellent stay, clean, easy to access, good shower, comfortable bed. All in all, an excellent place to stay in HCMC. Nice place and staff. We love the service and also the room. The only downside is that they do not have elevator, but that's fine. It was a bit of a struggle still because our luggages are a bit heavy, so yeah. But overall, it's good. Second time staying here after good experience, very nice accommodation in HCMC. Fabulous coffee from street vendor besides the hotel. Street food is everywhere. Great if you're traveling light as there isn't an elevator to go to your room. No porter service. Do ask for lower floors if available. Cheers. Review: perfect stay in Saigon.